I built this architecture concept website using vibe coding without any coding skills. Vibe coding has become a major trend this year, and I've been exploring how it can be applied to architecture, landscape architecture, and urban design. In this video, I'll walk you through my entire process, from idea to a working concept website. And you don't need any coding skills to build this. Here are several popular vibe coding tools, ranging from platforms for people with no coding experience to tools used by professional developers. On the top left of this chart, you'll find the simplest vibe coding tools. With these platforms, you just enter your ideas and the UI style you want in the chat bar, and they generate the final app or website for you, all in one place. The downside is that they're usually more expensive. In this video, I'll use one of the tools from the bottom left category, Google AI Studio. I generate the website there and then upload it to GitHub to deploy it. I found this workflow to be very affordable. More importantly, since I'm building a website focused on architecture image generation, Google AI Studio uses Nano Banana by default, which currently produces some of the most accurate and high-quality images for architectural design. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how I use this setup to build the concept website step by step. First, go to AI Studio by Google. I chose the free model, which is Gemini 3 Preview, and gave it a basic idea of what this website is for. In this example, I want to build an architecture concept development site where users upload one architectural image, and the website then generates a series of diagrams for that building. It's quite similar to the Nano Banana workflow I showed in the previous video, but in this case the website can generate all of those images at once. So if you've bought the prompt guidebook, you can copy the prompts directly into the chat bar, since the prompts are a key part of getting good image generation results. I simply copy the prompts from the architecture concept section, paste them into the chat bar, and then click Build to generate the website. About 60 seconds later, the website is built with the layout I requested. I then upload an image to test if it works. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes to generate all 7 outputs. The more images you generate, the more tokens it consumes. Since I'm using the free tier, I can only test it about 2 or 3 times per day. If I need to revise the image generation prompts, the AI will update the code, and I'll need to run the website again. Since these prompts were already tested in Nano Banana, the results are quite close to what I wanted. From one input image, the system can generate multiple diagrams for the project. If you just want to play with it for personal use, you don't need to publish the website. You can find the project in Google AI Studio and edit, improve, or run the website anytime. But if you want others to use it or even turn it into a product, then we'll move on to the next step. Oh, one more thing I forgot to mention. If you want to change the page design, you can just find a reference image on Pinterest and ask the AI to study it and redesign the page in that style. It will analyze the colors, theme, and layout and quickly update the website design. Of course, if you want to change the website name, edit text, adjust the menu, or change the image sizes, you can simply type the instructions in the chat bar and the AI will update it for you. I used to build websites on WordPress, and I never thought creating a website could be this easy. Next, we'll publish the website so it can be used publicly. One simple way is to go to the top right corner in Google AI Studio and click Publish. However, unlike the coding features in Google AI Studio, this publishing option is not free. If you're looking for a completely free method, go to the Settings panel and find the GitHub button on the far right. Here, it will ask you to connect the GitHub integration. Simply connect your GitHub account with Google AI Studio. Then set the repository visibility to public and enter a project name and a short description for your website. Once that's done, the code will be synced and listed in GitHub. Just click Stage and commit all changes, and after committing, you'll see that the website code has been uploaded to your GitHub repository. Once the code is on GitHub, we go to render.com. It's a hosting platform where we can deploy the website, and it also provides a free tier. In Render, go to the top menu bar, click New Plus, and select Web Service. Then choose and connect the GitHub repository that we just synced from Google AI Studio. In the Git Provider section, you'll see the GitHub project we just created. Click it and choose Configure Service. For most settings, you can keep the default configuration. Then select Instance Type, Free Web Service. In the Start command field, enter npm start. Once everything is set, just click Deploy, and the website will start building. It takes about 5 minutes to deploy, and once it's finished, we get a public website with a public domain. If you want, you can also purchase your own domain and connect it to Render. Now let me test the website and see if everything works. The result looks pretty good. If you want to edit the website or add new prompts, simply go back to Google AI Studio, make the changes, and sync the updates to GitHub. Once the code is updated, Render will automatically redeploy the website so the changes appear online. Here's another idea. I also built a website for landscape planting suggestions. Based on the location, climate conditions, and a garden photo you upload, the site can generate a plant list, place the plants onto the image, and even create a section drawing. I shared this workflow in my previous video. You can find the link at the top. If you want to try it yourself, simply copy my prompt and feed it into Google AI, and it will generate an interactive website for you. And if you have other ideas for using vibe coding in architecture, landscape, or urban design, share them in the comments. Another concept I built is a streetscape design website. You simply upload a street view image, and the AI analyzes the existing conditions, suggests streetscape improvements, and generates renderings showing the proposed changes on the photo. I've shared all of these vibe coding ideas and prompts in the Nano Banana Prompt Guidebook. If you're looking for inspiration or detailed prompts, simply log into your account on my website. You'll find the continuously updated prompts and workflows there.